you seen this Vox animation? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step breakdown on how you can create this in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. After this tutorial, you'll be able to create something like this. Please like and subscribe. Drag in your clip, increase the length. Make sure your player is on each right click and select Open in Fusion page. Drag in a background, connect it like this. Click on your mesh, reduce the size, something like this. Click on your background, go to your inspector tab, change it to something close to white. Click your mesh, reduce the blend. After reducing the blend, bring in a rectangle mesh. Connect it as a mask. After connecting as a mask, go to your inspector tab, increase the width, something like this. Reduce the height. Highlight all of them and press Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl V to paste again. Click the merge, another Ctrl V. Let's paste it one more time. Hold the merge, shift, and connect it to your tree for all of them. Same with this last one too. Connect it to your tree. Now, we're going to deactivate all of them. Click on the merge, Ctrl P. While deactivating all of them so that we can work with the first one. But after animating the first one, we'll move on to the second one and the third one. So that was why we deactivated them. When you are done like this first one, reduce the opacity for this first one. So we'll be able to see what's it. Take your player to the beginning, go to your inspector tab, drag the S axis inside, set a keyframe. Move our player a little, drag it again, then move it again, then drag it just like this. If you play it, you discover that it's going to come out like this. So the next time we do Ctrl P to activate back this one. We'll go to the background, change the color to yellow. Once we rename it to, click on F2, then rename it to yellow. Don't get confused. Our first animation ended at 50, so this one to animate this one as well. Click on your rectangle, go to your inspector tab, drag the Y axis inside completely, set a keyframe, move it a little, increase it, then move our player a little one more time, increase it. So when we play it, we'll have something like this. We're done with this one. We are going to now create the pole that would come out. Our first animation ended before frame 100. So once the vertical pole to come out from it, drag in a background, connect it like this. After connecting it, scale it down, click the background. Use the dropper to pick the yellow from this one. We want it to be of the same color. You can rename this one too as yellow. Click F2 to rename. After renaming it yellow, click the merge to scale it down, drag it down. I want it to go down. Now bring in a rectangle merge, connect it as a mask. Go to your inspector tab, reduce the width so that it will be very thin. Highlight all of them and press Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. I'm going to paste it 2 times. So let's animate this one now. We have not connected that one to our node tree. We're going to connect it to our node tree when it gets to the time. Take our playhead to the beginning, click on the rectangle, drag the levels down, keyframe. When it's close to 100, keyframe again, then move it a little, increase the level. So if we play it, we'll have something like this. Just now, you can decide to add text. The text, change the font to perpetual, then the color to black, Ctrl C copy, then Ctrl V paste. So I'm going to click on this background, shift and space, add an image, connect this text to it as a foreground. Click on the image and drag down the text. Now let's animate the text. To animate the text, click on the text, go to shading. Our last animation ended at your last animation ended. So we want our text to start from here. We want the text to come out here. Reduce the alpha keyframe. So now something like this. Done with this one. No, it might look a little bit confusing. To group your workflow so that you know which node belongs to which node. Let's create the other animation after this one. So click on this merge, Ctrl P to activate it. Click on background, change it to red. Just give it red. F2, rename it to red. Bring a rectangle, connect it to the merge. You drag it just like this. Then move it Want it to be here, drag it, reduce it like this. Want it to be at the end of this one. Click on the rectangle. So we're going to animate it. Since our last animation ended at around here, so let this one start here. Click on the rectangle, drag it inside, set a keyframe, then move our player a little and drag it out. Let's see what we have. In case maybe your animation is quiet, so you can go to your keyframe tab and adjust the timing. So we're done with the second animation. So the same way we did the first one, you just repeat the process. Click on the mesh, hold shift and click on the mesh and drag it forward, move it down a little, change the background color to this red. Go to the beginning, select your rectangle, drag the level down completely, keyframe, move the playhead towards the beginning. Once you reach here, set on that keyframe, move it a little, then increase it down. The text, shift and space, adding a mesh, let it as a mask, just connect it like this. Just drag them down. The dance will start from here. Go in, reduce the alpha keyframe, move it a little, then increase and out. Then the next one is activate this one. Control P on this thing. Let's make it green. Let's rename it F2. Green rectangle, drag down and move it here. Rectangle. Select this rectangle. Set it as a mask. Keyframe. Let's see what we have. Keyframe. Apply again. Drag out. So we get shift and drag it. I change the color to the background. You drop out to print text, the picture, shift and space merge, drag it down, go to the level, drag it down, set keyframe, drag everything. You can decide to go to the spline and select everything. Just select all and smooth it out. Just spline for all of them. I'm going to add a text to the 90 minutes play. I want it to be at the beginning, perpetual 90 minutes. Use the shading to enable. Let's change to white. Go to text, increase the size, setting, reduce the size. So we can just. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.